petals in each flower. Grass means the root. We are the party of the root. We are the party of the grass, the temple and the mosque. This stands for the sanctity of the constitutional declaration. We are a secular country. And the TMC stands for secularism, to protect the minority, to protect the minorities' rights, to protect the secularism. And Meghalaya is a state which is lovable, which is sweet, which is respectable. And we respect the Three Hills and the people of Three Hills, mostly in Garo, Jantia and Khasia. We are standing on the soil of Garo Hills in Tura. I again, with folded hand, request you, stand for us. We will stand for you. We will deliver the goods for these people of this constituency under the leadership of Richard Marak in this zone. Give your blessings and love and support. क्या support मिल जाएगा तो?
Arngut K Sangma All India Trinamool Congress Derek O'Brien MP ke Rajya Sabha but Dr Manas Ranjan Bhunia Peit Party Meghalaya Pyrta Elekshon South Tura constituency nakabenta kyrtong seng Richard Mrong Marak Pyrshah Myntri Rangbah Conrad K Sangma National People's Party ke South Tura constituency kalong ke jaka iakyrthai seng san hima kiba kiba ya All India Trinamool Congress BJP but UDP ban pynliem ya Conrad K Sangma ke NPP ubabat ya kam Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ya mynta kumne
kita suara capken ya ko Dr Mukul Sangma dakkenga oni men anjing hai Dr Mukul Sangma ni jak kubla patatna Trinamool Congress kubla patatna anjing jak ko nami wara chakna black wara chakna aran jingni 대장나 남급바 secure future ko 방칸급바 future ko anjir na hayam chingku mungna ani kasara baga bapa ani kasara 차담배 르핑스카
소매요 나시망고 위앗 겐치 모면 나시망 낙페리 바하 the we card ni support ko अच्छा लगते हैं South Tura में कितना हुआ enrollment actually for we card 4,000 enrollment ha chira ke jakpa dok na hai an thang thang na yan sakki yes we will together with the people's support will bring Trinamool Congress Party will bring TMC will bring a transformational change in Tura, in Garo Hills, in Meghalaya.